Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by unpairing on the old iPhone now. This preserves your watch backup automatically. Make sure iCloud and Apple ID are active so health and settings transfer. Once done, open the Watch app, tap the watch, then unpair Apple Watch, follow on-screen confirmations. While it erases, the phone creates a full backup linked to your Apple ID, which is why unpairing is preferred versus manual erase. Keep both devices nearby. You now restore the new iPhone from the backup that contains your watch data. This keeps apps, settings, and health info aligned. After restore, open the Watch app and choose Restore from Backup when prompted, then hold the watch close and follow the pairing animation. Make sure cellular and Apple Pay settings are reconfigured if you use them. Once the restore completes, the watch will resync apps and music. Expect this to take several minutes depending on content size. Finish by checking key services. Health data, activity rings, Apple Pay, and notifications must be present. You reauthorize passwords and re-add cards for security. If cellular fails, contact your carrier to transfer the plan. Make sure the watch appears in your account. If something goes wrong, try one fix. Erase the watch, then pair it again and choose Restore from Backup during pairing. That usually resolves mismatched backups, but only use Erase. After confirming, you have the backup created earlier.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.